Gravity keeps us on the ground, which is why most people can only jump about 1.5 feet straight up on Earth. But what if we lived on other planets? Let's find out. On Mercury, you could jump 4 feet high, but it's scorching hot during the day. For 800 degrees Fahrenheit at night, it drops to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. On Venus, you'd only jump 1.7 feet, but the air is thick with toxic clouds and the heat never stops. On the Moon, you could leap 9 feet high and float for a few seconds before landing. On Mars, you'd jump about 4 feet and you'd see the biggest volcano in the solar system. Phobos, a tiny moon of Mars, has such weak gravity that if you jump, you might not come back down. On Ceres, a dwarf planet, you'd jump 52 feet like a real-life superhero. On Jupiter, a gas giant, you'd barely get 6 inches off the ground because of its massive gravity. On Saturn, it'd be about 1.4 feet, but good luck finding solid ground. On Titan, Saturn's biggest moon, you could jump 11 feet high in its thick, hazy air. On Uranus, you'd jump 1.7 feet, but it's so cold you'd freeze instantly. On Neptune, gravity is stronger, you'd only get 1.3 feet up. On Pluto, you could jump 25 feet high, but it's tiny, and its atmosphere disappears sometimes. And finally, on Eris, another dwarf planet, you'd jump 18 feet in low gravity. Space is wild, but one thing's for sure, Earth is the best place to jump.